This channel only for paramedical staff, nurse, pharmacist, lab technical, health inspector, malaria inspector, government job information.
Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome back to Technojob Rajasthan. Myself Priya. Today we are going to discuss about previous year pharmacist question paper. Actually this question paper is also helpful for other paramedical examinations. So let's begin with question number 1. The mineral necessary for the synthesis of DNA and RNA is known as option A zinc, option B calcium, option C iron and option D phosphorus. So the correct answer is option D phosphorus. Question number 2 is an increased level of acid phosphatase in blood can be diagnosed as option A is hepatitis, option B is prostatic cancer, option C is myocardial infarction, option D pancreatitis. So the correct answer is option B, that is prostatic cancer. Question number 3 is metabolic disorder caused by deficiency of enzyme tyrosinase is known as option A phenylketonuria, option B is tricyanosis, option C is albinism, option D is alkaptonuria. So the correct answer is option C is albinism. Question number 4 is the presence of Benn's protein in urine is diagnostic of the disease. Option A is glycosuria, option B is thrombocytopenia, option C is multiple myeloma, option D is Hodgkin's disease. So the correct answer is option C, that is multiple myeloma. Question number 5 is an amino acid is which is not synthesized in the body is option A is valine, option B is glutamic acid, option C is serine and option D is arginine. So the correct answer is option A, that is valine. Question number 6 is pyridoxine is known as option A vitamin B2, option B is vitamin B1, option C is vitamin B6 and option D is vitamin B12. So the correct answer is option C, that is vitamin B6. Question number 7 is the total number of ATP formed from aerobic oxidation of glucose is option A is 38, option B is 30, option C is 15 and option D is 36. So the correct answer is option A, that is 38. Question number 8 is causative agent of whooping cough is option A is Corynebacterium, option B is Mycobacterium, option C is varicella, option D is Bordetella. So the correct answer is option D, that is Bordetella. Question number 9 is the disease caused by Guillain-Barré bacillus is option A is gonorrhea, option B is chancroid, option C syphilis, option D is lymphogranuloma. So the correct answer is option B is chancroid. Question number 10 is epidemiological triad is option A is agent host environment, option B is vector carrier environment, option C agent vector environment, option D is agent carrier treatment. So the correct answer is option A, that is agent host and environment. Question number 11 is the phase of pathogenesis in the natural history of disease starts when option A is when sign and symptoms appears, option B is when disease agent enters human host, option C when agent host environment interact, option D when disease agent identifies a host. So the correct answer is option B, when disease agent enters human host. Question number 12 is plasma half-life of IgG antibiotic is option A 6 to 8 days, option B 5 to 10 days, option C 23 days, option D 13 days. So the correct answer is option C, that is 23 days. Question number 13 is the neurotoxic venom is from option A is sea snake, option B is pit viper, option C is Russell viper, option D is cobra. So the correct answer is option D, that is cobra. Question number 14 is the process of transferring debits and credits from general to ledger account is known as Option A is posting, option B is transferring, option C totaling, option D is balancing. So the correct answer is option A, that is posting. Question number 15 is methanol poisoning is treated with option A is ethanol, option B is diazepam, option C is methadone, option D is N-acetylcysteine. So the correct answer is option A is ethanol. Question number 16 is the pore size of the membrane filter required to remove all bacteria is option A is 0.45 micron, option B is 0.8 micron, option C is 1.2 micron and option D is 1.22 micron. So the correct answer is option D, that is 0.22 micron. Question number 17 is standards of patent of proprietary medicine come under option A Schedule Y, option B Schedule X, option C Schedule V and option D Schedule R. So the correct answer is option C, that is Schedule V. Question number 18 is RNA synthesis on DNA template is known as option A is translation, option B is transcription, option C transduction and option D is central dogma. So the correct answer is option B, that is transcription. Question number 19 is the joint between axis and altas vertebrae in the neck is called option A is hind joint, option B pivot joint, option C saddle joint, option D is fibrous joint. So the correct answer is option A, that is hinge joint. Question number 20 is in electrocardiogram ECG, T waves represents option A is SA node activation, option B is articular contraction, option C is ventricular relaxation, option D is ventricular contraction. So the correct answer is option C, that is ventricular relaxation. Question number 21 is detrusor muscle is present in option A is gallbladder, option B is renal pelvis, option C is ureter, option D is urinary bladder. So the correct answer is option D, that is urinary bladder. Question number 22 is the bottle of drug which should be kept covered with black paper to prevent decomposition of light. Option A is dioxide, option B is hydralazine, option C is sodium nitroprusside, option D is diclofenac. So the correct answer is option C, that is sodium nitroprusside. Question number 23 is license for the retail sale of Schedule C and C1 drug is given in the form. Option A is 19, option B is 19A, option C 21 and option D is 20. So the correct answer is option C, that is 21. Question number 24. In case of Schedule X drug, the prescription should be in option A is duplicate, option B is triplicate, option C is single copy and option D is no prescription. So the correct answer is option B, that is triplicate. Question number 25. Protein coagulation is the mechanism of sterilization using option A is autoclaving, option B hot air oven, option C UV light, option D is ethylene oxide sterilizer. So the correct answer is option B, that is hot air oven. Question number 26. If a drug has been substituted wholly or in part by another drug or substance, then what drug is known to be option A is spurious drug, option B adulterated drug, option C is misbranded drug, option D is standard drug. So the correct answer is option A, that is spurious drug. Question 27 is which among the following is ototoxicity? Option A is chloroquine, option B is ampicillin, option C is didofenac, option D is salbutamol. So the correct answer is option A, that is chloroquine. Question number 28 is pick out monoclonal antibody from the following. Option A is linezolid, option B is mupirocin, option C is infliximab, option D is inosalin. So the correct answer is option C, that is infliximab. Question number 29 is amphotericin B cause a serious side effect, which is option A is cardiotoxicity, option B is ototoxicity, option C is nephrotoxicity, option D is neurotoxicity. So the correct answer is option C, that is nephrotoxicity. Question number 30 is pediatric dose of aminoglycoside antibiotics is based on option A is weight, option B is age, option C is sex, and option D is race. So the correct answer is option A, that is weight. Question number 31. The enteric coating is given to tablet for disintegrating at option A is intestine, option B stomach, option C liver, and option D is kidney. So the correct answer is option A, that is intestine. Question number 32. The positive summation of effect of two similarly acting drugs given simultaneously is known as option A is synergism, option B is addiction, option C tolerance, option D is dependence. So the correct answer is option A, that is synergism. Question number 33. Dengue is a virus disease transmitted by the bite of mosquito. Option A is tiger mosquito, option B Anopheles, option C Aedes aegypti, option D all of this. So the correct answer is option C, that is Aedes aegypti. Question number 34. The presence of anthraquinone glycosides in senna leaves can be identified by option A is Keller-Galliani test, option B is Wagner's test, option C is Bontanger's test, option D is Murrizite test. So the correct answer is option C is Bontanger test. Question number 35 is licorice consists of dried roots and stolon of Glycyrrhiza glabra of the family is option A is Leguminosae, option B is Rubiaceae, option C Solanaceae, option D is Apocynaceae. So the correct answer is option A, that is Leguminosae. Question number 36 is the output of the size reduction of material in a machine depends on option A is chemical structure, option B is bulk density, option C is material structure, option D is physical character. So the correct answer is option D, that is physical character. Question number 37. The working principle of fluid energy mill is option A is crushing and shearing, option B is aeration and impact, option C is compression, option D is impact and cutting. So the correct answer is option B is aeration and impact. Question number 38 is antidote for iron poisoning is option A is flumazenil, option B is daphrozamine, option C is atropine, option D is paralidosone. So the correct answer is option B, that is daphrozamine. Question number 39 is lithium carbonate is therapeutically used to treat. Option A is epilepsy, option B is schizophrenia, option C is mania, option D is insomnia. So the correct answer is option C, that is mania. Question number 40 is blood products are dried by a process of option A freeze drying, option B spray drying, option C drum drying, option D drying by IR radiation. So the correct answer is option A, that is freeze drying. Question number 41 is the compound used as antibacterials is option A is mercurous chloride, option B is boric acid, option C is borax, option D is talc. So the correct answer is option B, that is boric acid. Question 42 is the compound which is known as mineral salt is option A sodium potassium tartrate, option B is sodium thiosulfate, option C is sodium bicarbonate, option D is sodium metaphosphate. So the correct answer is option D, that is sodium metaphosphate. Question number 43 is which of the following is an aprotic solvent? So the options is option A is hydrocarbon, option B alcohol, option C acetona, option D formic acid. So the correct answer is option A, that is hydrocarbon. Question number 44 is modified Gertz apparatus is used for limit tests for option A is arsenic, option B is iron, option C sulfates, and option D chlorides. So the correct answer is option A, that is arsenic. Question number 45 is magnesium sulfate can be assessed by option A acid alkali method, option B complexometric titration, option C is precipitation method, and option D is non-aqueous titration. So the correct answer is, that is option B is complexometric titration. Question number 46 is the nuclides of different elements with the same mass number with different atomic numbers are called as option A isotopes, option B isobars, option C radioactive, and option D is isosteres. So the correct answer is option B, that is isobars. Question number 47 is the main active constituent of umbelliferous fruit are option A is alkaloids, option B oleoresin, option C volatile oil, option D oleogum resin. So the correct answer is option C, that is volatile oil. Question 48 is an example of parenthenirin alkaloid is option A is cardamom, option B is ergot, option C is morphine, and option D is cinchona. So the correct answer is option C, that is morphine. Question number 49 is pyrethrum belong to the family. Option A is umbelliferae, option B is Euphorbiaceae, option C is Rosaceae, option D is Compositae. So the correct answer is option D is Compositae. Question number 50 is Latin term used in prescription writing prime M means option A is early morning, option B in the morning, option C early in the morning, option D every night. So the correct answer is option C, that is early in the morning. Question 51 spans and twins are option A is phospholipids, option B is glycosides, option C is polyoxyalkyline derivatives, option D is glycolipids. So the correct answer is option C, polyoxyalkyline derivatives. Question 52 is the most suitable preservative for eye drop is option A is phenylmuric acetate, option B is methylparaben, option C is thiomersal, option D is phenol. So the correct answer, that is option A, phenylmercuric acetate. Question number 53 is when human RBCs are placed in hypertonic solution produces option A is crenulation, option B is hemolysis, option C is no change, option D all of the above. So the correct answer is option A is crenulation. Question number 54. Gregory powder can be used as option A is hematinic, option B is antiseptic, option C is cathartic, option D is astringent. So the correct answer is option C, that is cathartic. Question number 55 is fluid preparation for external use which are applied with a brush or rod is option A is dentifrious, option B is Dodge, option C is Alexivus, option D is collodion. So the correct answer is option D, that is collodion. Question 56 is color of tears change with the use of option A is bleomycin, option B is tetracycline, option C is ferrous sulfate, and option D is rifampicin. So the correct answer is option D, that is rifampicin. Question 57 is the mineral corticoid that has sodium retaining properly is option A is aldosterone, option B is testosterone, option C progesterone, option D is insulin. So the correct answer is option A, that is aldosterone. Question 58 is allopurinol can be used in treatment of option A is rickets, option B is gout, option C is osteomalacia, option D is anticonvulsant. So the correct answer is option B, that is gout. Question 59 is piperazine citrate can be administered in the form of option A is elixir, option B is ointment, option C is injection, and option D is solution. So the correct answer is option A, that is elixir. Question number 60, that is cimetridine, H2 receptor antagonist, is derivative of option A is pyrazolidine, option B is oxazole, option C is imidazole, option D is pyraxole. So the correct answer is option D is imidazole. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this video, please subscribe Technojob Rajasthan channel for regular updates for different paramedical examinations and press bell icon for further details. Thank you so much.